Suzuki Vitara was produced with 3- and 5-door wagon and convertible bodies, which, as befits classic SUVs, mounted on a powerful spar frame. In 1995, the 5-door modification with the 2.0-liter engine underwent a slight restyling, which gave the car more solidity and impressiveness. A new radiator grille and a plastic body kit along the lower perimeter of the body significantly rejuvenated the appearance of the model. Engine. The compactness of the car had a negative impact on its spaciousness. Even in the 5-door version, only 4 people can normally accommodate, and the 3-door rear seats are designed more for children. In addition, this modification is less stable on the road. At first, the SUV was equipped with only two 1.6-liter engines, 8 and 16 valve. The first one is quite rare in our country and only on 3-door Vitara of the early years of production. 16 valve, hardy and hassle-free. 300 to 400,000 before overhaul is the norm rather than the exception. The only thing that is required is to adjust the thermal clearances of the valves every 60,000 kilometers and change the timing belt after 90,000 kilometers, and together with the tensioner roller. With such a run, it will be useful to replace the rear crankshaft oil seal. The modification with the 2.0-liter V6 engine has a higher fuel consumption and is more expensive to maintain due to the more complex engine design. Vitara also has a 2.0-liter turbo diesel, but this is a rarity in our market. Transmission. The car was equipped with a 5-speed manual and 4-speed automatic gearboxes. Both modes are reliable. The Vitara is equipped with a part-time 4WD transmission that does not have a center differential, so all-wheel drive can only be used briefly and only on slippery roads. Every 70,000 kilometers, they will require the replacement of the cross of the cardan shafts, and only the original part can withstand such a period. It is better not to save on this node and abandon non-original analogs. Connecting the front drive, depending on the version on the Suzuki Vitara, can be carried out in mechanical and automatic modes. In the first case, the driver needs to turn on the transfer case gear to the 4H position, and also hook the front wheel hubs by turning the latches to the lock position. In the second case, the front axle hubs are connected at the same time as the transfer case lever is switched to the 4 position, and only on a stationary vehicle. When choosing, preference should still be given to the mechanical option, since with certain inconveniences, it is much more enduring than automatic. A small car has a very impressive ladder-type frame. Despite that this is a rather serious application for off-road capabilities, the manufacturer, to the detriment of cross-country ability, used a front independent suspension with coil springs. The car still remains quite rigid, and this rigidity will not allow the breakdown suspension to work even on the most difficult off-road. Suspension. The rear suspension is a continuous axle beam on springs. Operating experience Vitara says that the suspension will not cause significant problems to its owner. The rear is practically indestructible. The front one at 70 to 80,000 kilometers will require the replacement of shock absorbers, ball bearings, and so on. A significant plus of the Vitara design is removable ball joints, which significantly reduces the cost of repairs. Sometimes the anti-roll bar struts fail prematurely, although this is more likely a problem not of a car, but of our roads. Steering. The power steering rarely leaks, so such a malfunction will not lead to significant costs. Repair of the steering gear can hit the wallet much more painfully. Therefore, when buying, you need to pay due attention to the condition of this unit. Brake system. Vitara has a good braking system. The front original pads pass 30 to 40,000 kilometers without problems. Rear drum, up to 100,000 kilometers. ABS was installed only as an option, and many cars on the market are not equipped with it. The Suzuki Vitara is the perfect choice for a young family looking for a vintage all-rounder. Able to take to a picnic or to the country, transport a baby carriage or a week's supply of groceries from the supermarket.